Alright, y'all ready? What's good, Up Next family? This your boy Up Next. Now we're gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look y'all, I see the do-rag going, you know what I'm saying? Look, today I got the 2-strand twist video for y'all. First off and foremost, I just wanna tell y'all, bro, I ain't gonna say here a lot of y'all. I'm not really trying to put out daily uploads and stuff like that. But what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to get into that more. I'm trying to get into that rhythm. You feel what I'm saying? So whether it be like a silent library or a public prank or a public interview, whatever, man, I'm just trying to do all this for y'all. I'm just trying to gain content for y'all, this and that and the third. So if y'all with that type of content, make sure y'all support it. Make sure I hit that like button. I know I really don't be showing y'all love on YouTube, I know, but what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna start posting a lot more. I'm gonna start I promise you, I got y'all. But getting into this 2-strand twist, you feel me? I know I ain't came with a dread update. I'm gonna come with a dread update video for y'all too this weekend or sometimes. But I'm gonna be daily uploading for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all haven't already, go follow all my social medias up here, IG and Snapchat. Make sure I can show y'all my 2-strand twist. I just got this today. So yeah, they like fresh. And then I had bought a, what's it called? The only reason I tell y'all not to wear do-rag, the only reason I'm wearing a do-rag this time is because of the 2-strand twist is kind of like a protective, it's like a protective style. I'm gonna try to keep these in for at least like 2 weeks, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm really like protecting them with the do-rag and stuff like that. So yeah, that's why I got the do-rag on. Other than that, I think if I would've got them like twisted, like retwisted regular, I don't think I would be wearing a do-rag. But at the same time, I'm really trying to do better with my dreads, you know what I'm saying? I'm really trying to keep them shiny, keep them, you know what I'm saying? Because most of y'all niggas dreads out there, y'all be looking dusty. And look, another thing that I have learned today, you cannot let anybody do your dreads. You cannot sit here and just let anybody do your dreads, because as you see, bro, like she parted them perfectly. Like, bro, she did her thing with this, you know what I'm saying? This is like by far the best retwist I ever had in my life, you know what I'm saying? So I'm actually leave her link in the bio, so if y'all want to go check her out, y'all can go check her out and stuff like that. But look, bro, she twisted them right first off, you know what I'm saying? She parted them right, you know what I'm saying? You see the parts and they going right, you feel me? She oiled them. She not even oiled them up. She used her product. She used her own product. She washed them. She did everything for me, bro. You know what I'm saying? And I usually, like I say, bro, I don't put nothing in my hair. I don't wash my hair regularly. Like for one thing, you cannot be trusting all of these shampoo companies. Like, y'all gotta understand, bro, dreads are way different from any other hairstyle because of the simple fact, like, I've been telling y'all this, dreads are like sponges, so they gonna keep all the shampoo, definitely don't be using no conditioner. I don't know what y'all be doing with y'all hair, you know what I'm saying? But if y'all keep like going the rate y'all going, y'all gonna destroy y'all. You feel me? That's simple. Yeah, bro, don't be using no oil. Don't use nothing in your dreads. Don't use nothing. I probably told y'all to use oil in the past. I don't know, but I'm starting to learn more and more stuff, and as I'm starting to learn more and more stuff, I'm gonna tell y'all more and more stuff. But don't use no oil in your hair. If you have to use shampoo, comment down below. I'm gonna tell y'all what shampoo to use. And until I get to that point, I'm not gonna be using no shampoo, anything like that, until you get to like the 4-month mark. If you at 4 months without washing your hair or whatever, you don't got no money to get no retwist, bro, because the retwist up here in Atlanta is $65, $70, my nigga. Back home it was 40, but like the motto go, bro, you get what you pay for. You understand what I'm saying? So if you want to pay low price, you're gonna get lower quality. If you get what you pay for, you feel me? So I'm very appreciative of the results. I fuck with the price, you know what I'm saying? At least it wasn't 100. Like, she did a retwist for 65, and then I had, for the style, it was like $5 extra. I went ahead and got the style, you know what I'm saying? So I spent $70 on this, and this shit lasts me 2 to 4 months. You understand what I'm saying? Now, the way I'm protecting it with the do-rag, it's gonna damn near last me 4 months. You get what I'm saying? And I'm gonna try my best to keep these in for at least 2 to 3 weeks, or at least a month, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just like I said, cause I fuck with the protective style. Now, if I unravel my hair out of the 2-strand twist, I'm pretty sure like my hair is gonna be way longer, probably like down here. You know what I'm saying? No flex, no nothing, but it's probably gonna be like down here. But yeah, the first time I got my hair like in a style, it was like in a fishtail. I didn't really fuck with it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, cause I told her I wanted the hairstyle same as the nigga in front of me, which was a 2-strand twist. She fucked around and gave me a fishtail. Now the fishtail looked like it was in like a 4-strand twist, and I don't know, bro. I just really want to mess with it. My parents was messing with it, but I just wasn't messing with it. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all need any help on what to, I just told y'all what to use. Don't use shit on y'all dreads. Don't, bro. Look, let these folks do their job. If you go into a salon, let them folks do their job. Especially if you in Atlanta, like, you gotta watch, and also you gotta watch who do your hair. You feel me? You can't let anybody do your dreads, because like I said, they gotta part these right. It's a certain way to part them. Like, bro, I learned a whole bunch today. And like I said, if y'all in the Atlanta area, y'all in the Georgia area, make sure y'all go click the link. Go fuck with her. Go fuck with Locked In. You feel me? So, cause she know what she doing. These other folks out here, they don't know what they doing. And plus, y'all go fuck around and get y'all dreads like messed up. Because she was telling me like, how sometimes like when a person retwists their hair and stuff, like y'all, if y'all got the problem of some of y'all dreads are longer or some of y'all dreads are thinning out, like y'all person, she messed up. The person, whoever retwisted your hair or started to twist your hair, she messed up on your hair, bro. That's the reason why sometimes like your hair be thinning out and shit like that. It's not you. It be like the person who retwist your hair. Now, at the same time, if you fucking with your dreads, if you adding products, if you adding oil to your dreads, you understand what I'm saying? Stop adding oil to your dreads, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, I used to do that, but not a lot. I didn't never use a lot of oil. Now, when I did start off, I was using that mousse shit, because it was really like making my dreads look fresher, and also at the same time, it was like really like tightening them up. So I ain't gonna lie to you, for like a week straight or something like that, every other day or whatever, I used to use that mousse. But now I advise y'all to not use nothing. Don't use nothing in your hair. You know what I'm saying? Keep you a brush with you, brush your tape. You know, I really need another haircut. I got my haircut in my home city, but I'm about to, next time I get a haircut, I'm definitely gonna make a video for y'all, and also it's gonna be way fresher than this. I got no offense to whoever cut my hair. I'm not even gonna tell y'all, but this shit really like a fade. I ain't gonna cap, like up here, I already know the haircut is gonna run me way more. Like haircut in my city, they cost like $10, but I know a haircut over here probably gonna cost you about $35, $40, or probably even more than that. But I don't get my hair cut that often. I get my hair cut every 2 to 3 weeks. I can really go a month without getting my hair cut. So if I pay $45 for a fresh haircut for that 1 month, I'm straight. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I got dreads anyway, so people really don't be seeing my haircut like that unless I got it in like a ponytail or 2 ponytails. But yeah, y'all, I'm really with this 2-strand twist just because of the simple fact, when I do take off my do-rag, I'm gonna be wearing my do-rag a lot. Like, you probably not even gonna see me without my do-rag. The only time I'm gonna take off my do-rag is when I hit that shower. Now let me tell y'all something about the shower. If you shower, take off your do-rag, bro, because you need moisture. If your hair is dry, bro, your hair does not need oil. Your hair needs water. Your hair don't need a lot of water because you have dreads, bro. And like I tell y'all, dreads soak up like very easily. So what you need is a little mist. I ain't talking about no spray bottle. I'm talking about like mist that come off your body, or like the steam that's coming off the shower. So if you get in the shower, take your do-rag off. You feel me? That's really the only reason you should take your do-rag off. Unless you want to walk around with your do-rag off like that, show off your dreads and shit like that. But me, I'm gonna keep my do-rag on, you feel me? I'm gonna keep everything on, you know. So yeah, if y'all have any complications, any problems, anything like that, comment down below with y'all. But yo, look, up next, man, make sure y'all go follow my Instagram. Hey, I be going crazy on the gram, I swear to God. Go follow my Snapchat too. Peace out, folks, later, bro. Peace.